Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this lesson we're going to create a thumbnail. More specifically, we're going to create an YouTube thumbnail, and I'm gonna show you all the process and we're gonna build it from scratch. Okay, so YouTube thumbnail, it's very easy to make with Canva, but to show a demo, if I go to Google and type in YouTube thumbnails, now you would recognize all these thumbnails here. So you can see all of these thumbnails. Okay, so these are all the YouTube thumbnails. Now if I go to YouTube as well, so you can see these are all the thumbnails that YouTube is showing right now. Okay, so we're gonna make a thumbnail similar to let's say this one, or any type of thumbnail that is like informative. So you can see all of these thumbnails, they are made by people who are making these videos, or you can also make thumbnails by hiring people who are expert in graphics and graphics designing. So all of these thumbnails you can see here: boost your finances fast. Now this is a very good niche, a popular niche right now to make money online. And all of these, you can see these informative. So let me add informative YouTube thumbnails. You can see here, this one is a great example of an informative YouTube thumbnail. See this guy, and how do I find a business idea? Yeah, and this one as well. So we're gonna try to make a thumbnail for our YouTube channel, for whatever YouTube channel we have. Okay, so let's go to Canva, and we're gonna start off by typing here YouTube thumbnail. Now once I type in YouTube thumbnail, the algorithm in Canva, they're gonna find us the thumbnails that we can use, or the templates. So you can see here there are a lot of templates here. Now this particular one we just took a look at on Google. Okay, so I want to make a thumbnail which is saying how to grow your YouTube channel fast. Okay, growing our YouTube channel fast. Now if we can, let's say this one, or maybe, well, any type of. Okay, so how to grow our YouTube channel. Now I'm going to lay the foundation of the channel for, like, with this one. Let's see. So this is a pretty simple one, so we're gonna choose another one. Okay, let's go with, so we can see here that this one is much simpler, but we can use this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this template and click on customize this template. So after we clicked on that, we can see that here is the interface here. Okay, so at the beginning we're gonna work ourselves here. All right, so it says crypto next move. So our channel is about making money or growing our channel. Okay, so I want to show something else. Okay, so I'm gonna select this picture and I'm just going to minimize this picture. So take this picture right like that and minimize it. Okay, and I'm gonna work on this later. That's why I'm gonna keep it right here, and I'm gonna work on this later as well. So first we're going to work on the text. Okay, So in this text I'm going to type in how to, and in this one grow your, and we're going to take this and we're going to align it, and in this one I'm going to type in YouTube channel, or just simply, or maybe YouTube. Channel. Take this a bit up and take this here as well, and we're gonna place this one right here, and we're gonna take the text of this one, we're gonna select this text here, and we're going to change the color into red. Okay, YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel. So after that we've got our text here. Okay, if we want we can change the background as well. Now what can we do to change our background? There's not much to change the background, or we can also use, let's say if we go to Google, growing YouTube channel, go to images, background picture, so this picture looks a bit good, so we're going to select this picture and we're gonna save image as, we're going to go and click on save image as, .jpg. So once we've saved this, okay, we have our JPG file. We're gonna go to Canva and we're going to go to uploads, and we're gonna upload that picture. So it says it's an error, some of the files you are trying to upload are not compatible with Canva. Okay, no problem, we're gonna find another image. So we got this picture here and we're going to save this picture, and then we're gonna use this picture as we're going to upload it here. Once it's uploaded, you can see here it's uploaded right now, and we're gonna set a background image. All right, so we're just gonna drag it down here and we're gonna set it in the background just like that. And now we're going to position it. Select this and position it backward. All right, once it's done, you can see here the background has been changed, and we can just set it up like that. Okay, Now once it's done, we can see here we placed this fine lady over here, and we're going to adjust said fine lady. Just her a little, just like that, and we're gonna place it right here. Okay, and we're gonna place this one like that, and now you can see that the interface has been changed drastically, right? So we can just adjust this picture right like this, and then move it a bit here, this one, select this one and move it like that. Alright, and we're gonna place this chart over here, and if you want to place anything else, you can do that as well. Okay, so this looks pretty good, how to grow your YouTube channel, and if you want you can also work on these text as well. Now if you want you can use any other image as well, like this one. If I wanted to use this image, but this image is not really good because the background is really not compatible with this image right here. Okay, so now we have this image right here, and okay, alright, now it's adjusted. Now you can also add other things like icons or any other stuff that you would like to present to your YouTube channel. If there is, like, if you want any other type of graph, like if you don't want this one, just step it aside for a minute. You can just use this one as well, but the background is still not good, so we shouldn't use this one. Okay, let's upload something from Elements. Growing chart, graph charts. Okay, yeah, you can see here we've got some graph charts here. So not all of them are free, but we can use any of these graph charts, like this one. It's black. We can turn this picture to white if we want, or red, or any type of color that we want to give. So I'm just gonna keep it as white, or maybe if we turn it blue then it will go with the background, but no, blue isn't nice. Place it like that. And if we want to keep this one, what we can do here is maybe we can keep this one and turn this into a background image. Okay, just place it there, and increase the size more, and here you can see once it's done we can change the color a bit. Okay, white is nice. Now we're gonna change the transparency, and we're gonna set the transparency to like this. Okay, and we're gonna keep this in the background, place it right here, and we're just gonna place this one right here. And if we want we can also change the color of this one, like if we want we can change the color this one to like that, and the white one will give, or let's give it green. Okay, keep it at green, and we're gonna set this color to green as well. Okay, and let's increase the size. Okay, that looks much better. And well, this goes with the image. Now we have our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so that's how you basically create a YouTube thumbnail, and you can create any type of thumbnail using any template from Canva. And if you're like into making money online, you can make this type of thumbnails for your YouTube video. Now, a thing about thumbnails is that thumbnails really give the video an attractiveness, you know. I mean, if you go to any YouTuber's video, you'll see that the thumbnail is like you're gonna click on someone's video watching the thumbnail, right? For instance, so this guy, he's posting like what's in my backpack. Okay, so you can see the thumbnail. There are a lot of products here in the thumbnail. Okay, and in the thumbnail it says a lot of things, like the title can be given out in the thumbnail as well. Okay, and the thumbnail, like a thumbnail like this one, like the guys, people who are like interested in science fiction, they would want to click on this video because of the thumbnail, right? Right after they like press on this one, before they press on this one, they'll see the thumbnail and they would want to click on this thumbnail, right? So that's basically the function of it. And also, for instance, this guy, you can see here, he's saying 10 easy ways to lose belly fat while sleeping. Okay, so like just like the title, you can see the title is very attractive as well, you know. The thumbnail is also attractive because who wouldn't want to lose their weight overnight just by sleeping, right? Like he said body here, body type here. So if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can easily do that with Canva. And if you, after you're done making the whole thumbnail, you can just simply go here and download it, and be sure to download it in the PNG file, PNG format. Just press on this download here and it will start downloading the image right away. So once it's done, all right, now it's downloaded. Now let's take a look at the image. So you can see here, this is the whole thumbnail that we created with Canva, using the Canva. And this was the whole process, how you can do it very easily. Okay, so that was the process, and I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.